This video guide will help you to get rid of the ransomware, which is called Ccyu. So Ccyu is the new ransomware, which is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. In the video, I will demonstrate to you how damaging this ransomware is. So now you can clearly see that there are no troubles opening any file types. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data can be opened easily without troubles. Regretfully, because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, this Ccyu ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. This happens because of certain leaks in the defense of the specific computer. This also happens because of outdated anti-malware databases and due to some other factors. But if this ransomware has become the part of your computer, definitely it's your existing antivirus that should be blamed for allowing this ransomware to be injected into the system. But unfortunately, it may be too late, and this ransomware may already affect the files that people store on their hard drives. So Ccyu ransomware is called like that because it adds a special Ccyu extension to the files after encrypting them. You can trace this ransomware by going to the task manager, by the way, and you will find some suspicious processes like this one. Typically, these are the processes with long random names that don't make any sense. It's a good idea that you right-click on them and end their task. If you do that, this can help you stop the further file encryption and at least save some files from being damaged. Anyway, this Ccyu ransomware encrypts files, and this is the extension added, Ccyu. The ransomware tells their victims that they need to pay the ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration, so if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So don't pay the ransom. We recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly remain on your computer, including this ransomware. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available, but it is sufficient enough to remove this ransomware. But the program should also, first of all, update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. And you can also clearly see that your computer may also be damaged by some other adware type threats and intrusive pop-ups and so on. So wait until the anti-malware database is updated, and then the scanning will begin. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished, the program will begin scanning, researching and investigating your system. Not only will it detect this ransomware, but it will also detect other issues that might happen with your computer or your browser. So Combo Cleaner will help you to deactivate these multiple pop-ups, which are also very annoying. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner. Please go to the settings of Combo Cleaner and select Anti-Ransomware tab. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, of course, is the part of the premium license only. So you need to wait some time until the scanning is successfully accomplished, and then At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on the system. I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future. With premium license, you'll be able to secure your files and to protect your entire computer from other possible malware attacks.